Mason Amos, this is his first one. .8 seconds. Amos. And we have a timeout.
Ito na ang last timeout ng Team Buelec, no? So that's just 2 points, partner.
Cortez, Abadam, and Marasigan. 5.5 seconds. 92 all. Makalalag. Cortez. Double team. Cortez. That's a foul on Calo. Eman Calo, that's his fifth personal foul. So we will have a review here. Eman Calo, Neil Tolentino, pleading for our officials. Oh, re-inverted call. Re-inverted call. No call.
So, yun na nga.
So ito nga, binawi yung tawag,
Pero yung oras, it would still be
2.5. Cortez fires. This is an OT.
So we are going to overtime, partner,
For our 24th, or 25th rather. Araw ng Sambuanga Sibugay.
Di ba nga, basketball nga ni.
Basketball nga ni. That's a foul on Jeffrey Santos.
Free throw agad para dito kay Jacob Cortez, no? Penalty.
92 all OT. That's a missed shot. Remember, coach, for Buelec, 2 players na may 4 fouls. It's Sanjo and Eman Calo.
Eman Calo, yes.
Eman Calo, 5 fouls. Yun
Ayun
lang.
na nga.
Kakabanggit lang natin. 5 fouls for Eman.
Tingnan natin sino papalit.
Minggito.
Kanina ba yung first quarter, second quarter yata, last pinasok, ha?
Si Vincent Minggito, scoreless pa dito sa ball game natin.
Actually, kahit attempt wala pa siya.
Oo, kahit attempt na totoo. Abadam, crucial free throws. First one. Four and 50. Abadam at the line. 2 out of 2 for Abadam. Santos against Jacob Cortez. Sanjo at the post against Pablo. Natapik dito. Hand off kay KD Aryar. Aryar fires, misses. Santos, good top to
Great
Sanjo.
up there from Santos to Sanjo.
Abadam attacks. Floater misses. Santos to Sanjo. Nice pass again. 4 straight points for Welik. 96-94.
Grabe, and all of those shots were made possible dahil sa ginagawa nito ni Santos, di ba?
Fly by Cortez. Big 3-point shot for Jacob Cortez. 3 minutes and 45.
Skip pass.
Mingito fires short. Out of bounds. That's on Earl Abadam.
That was Mingito's first
Attempt.
attempt
Oo.
on this game,
Kailangan niyang uminit dito
Oo.
kasi nga alam natin volume shooter itong si
Yes.
Mingito. And we are in our crunch time. Wow, Salado. Short with a layup. Skip pass. 96-97. Makalalag, short. Rebound Sanjo. Jeffrey Santos tries to attack. Kick out, Salado all day. Kent misses. Rebound, Aryar attacks and scores.
Grabe yung intensity. Walang napapagod sa both teams natin, no?
Abadam open. Abadam scores.
Again, when it matters, tsaka pumapasok yung tira nitong mga archers na to.
The timely shots of the LSU, the accuracy of that
Bow and
pana,
arrow,
no?
diba?
Bow and arrow ng DLSU. Sanjo with the off-balance shot. They need to attack now. 2-point lead for DLSU. Cortez just facilitating here. The drop pass to Pablo. Stolen away by Jeffrey Santos. Reading the floor. Oh! Breaking ankles. Grabe yung Santos, ha?
Everything but the shot.
100-98. 2 minutes. 1-on-1. Pablo against Sanjo. Sanjo sumusundot dito. He has 4 fouls. 1 second. Missed shot. And that's out of bounds.
Yung possession na yun, parang masyadong natagalan yung bola sa isang tao ng De La Salle University. Hindi nila masyado nagawa yung movement nila sa possession na yun. Pero tingnan natin paano magre-respond yung Welik dito.
Santos fires for 3. Too strong. 100-98. Cross-court pass. Marasigan. Boris drives. Misses. Sanjo bringing this one down. Mingito. Goes to KD. Strip away by Jacob Cortez.
Ayan, good strip there galing dito kay Cortez, no? Open na sana doon si Aryar. Pag-cut niya pero na-ball swipe ni Cortez sa ilalim.
15 seconds to shoot. Kick out to Aryar. Salado. Di diskarte. 10 seconds. Salado to Santos. Pass inside. That's a push. Second team foul for DLSU.
Ang layo pa sa penalty nitong Lasal. That's their second team foul pa lang ng fourth, pati ng overtime, ha? Hanggang overtime.
So 14 minutes na yung dumaan.
Yes.
Dalawang foul pa lang yung
Foul pa
nabibigay
lang.
ng DLSU. 1 minute and 4. Santos to Sanjo. Gets it to Salado. Salado drives, quick two.
Nakatalikod dun si Jacob Cortez. Hindi siya naka-help.
$50 seconds. Libre si Makalalag. Miss shot. That's a shot earlier nung fourth quarter.
Oo, kaya. Kaso nga, overtime na to partner.
Oo.
Diba? So, andyan na rin talaga yung,
Pagod.
yung exhaustion. Oh,
Putback ni Ariar.
na-challenge ni Sancho.
Cortez. Kick out. Marasigan. Balik sa kanya. Plenty of time left. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Cortez at 10. Marasigan against KD Ariar. Spins. Fires. Short. Rebound for the yellow shirts.
Grabe naman tong game na to.
Salado has it. 8 seconds to shoot. Are we going to the second overtime or to end the game? Salado in and out. Salado short. Sancho short. The rebound and that's it.
And yes,
Second
we
overtime.
are going to second overtime. Partner, nabati mo yata. Team Alicia Welek would be playing this whole second overtime without an Eman Calo inside.
Oo, yun yung malaking bagay din. No? Malaking kawalan ng Welek doon, no?
Oo.
Santos against Goliena. Step back. Pull up. Sabi ko nga sa iyo, coach, no? Yung shot selection ng isang Jeffrey Santos.
Yes.
Maturity.
Oo, yun ang kailangan niya makuha ngayon. Na ang ganda na ng ginagawa niya kanina, creating good shots for his teammates eh.
100 all, Cortez. Pull up. That's good for 2 for Jacob Cortez.
Lasal ang unang makakalamang dito sa ating second overtime. Eto na naman, Santos with the ball.
Salado.
They wanna go to Ojula. Ayan na nga.
Poste. Ojola. Nice stop by Amos.
Kita kaya nila yung shot clock. No.
Ooh, rattles out. Ojula. Misses. Blocked by Mason Amos. Abadam. Too strong for Earl.
In-anticipate niya yung bump dun eh, pero wala siyang napangga.
Two free throws coming for Emmanuel Ojula.
Grabe ang ginagawang depensa dito ng Mason Amos.
Oo. At saka ngayon, Pablo na yung tatao kay Ojula. So change man naman sila. Change defender kumbaga.
Oo. Yeah. Pati si Jeffrey Santos nilabas muna dito, pinaingang balik si
Escobedo tsaka
Escobedo, yes.
si Sherwin.
Sherwin.
Second free throw for Ojula. One out of 2. 3 minutes and 40. Cortez against Escobedo. Off the screen. Cross-court pass. Marasigan fakes. Dinala sa ilalim. Short with his layup. 3 and 20.
Hirap naman ang layup na yun.
Oo. Binitbit sa ere. Winakali.
Oo.
Ojula wants it. Here comes Ojula. That's a foul, yep. 14th foul.
Pero ang ganda na sana nung help side nun eh, no? Nakita mo? Off the help side. Gusto nila, pinofront talaga nila para yan, i-lob yung pasa. By the time dumating yung bola kay Ojula, ando na yung help side eh. Kaso na-foul nga.
Yung hard drive nitong si
Marasigan
Boris
earlier,
Marasigan kanina eh. Concepcion grabs it, kick out, steal by Gagate. Ganda ng kamay nun eh. Cortez, pull up, papiso-piso lang, osip-osip lang eh, no?
Yes, sir.
Jacob Cortez extends the lead for DLSU to 3 rather. At the corner, Mingito, the
Yan ang
tie!
sinasabi natin. Si Mingito, andito pa ako, guys.
Pangalawang attempt, 50% for Vincent Mingito.
Yes, sir.
Nakakalimutan nyo, Ray Allen ng UB.
Oo.
Tie game. Crosscourt. Steven Gagate. Pulls up. Miss. Rebound, Escobedo. You have 2 shooters now for Welek. You have Concepcion and Mingito.
Yes.
Now they go to Sanjo. Oh, the fake for Sanjo.
What a move. Wow.
Ginulangan.
Oo.
106-104. Pablo wants it against a smaller Salado. Here comes the help. Pablo escapes.
Ang galing ng smalls ng Lasal in finding their big mans eh, no? Nakita nila yung mismatch na yun. Napuntahan talaga agad nila.
Sanjo. That's a foul on Pablo. 2 free throws.
Number 31. Illegal use of 2 free throws.
Pero mas bilib ako sa crowd dito. Sa Sibugay, Coach Kim, no? Alas 12 na eh, no?
Oo.
30 minutes away.
Pero, wala akong nakita na
Umuwi.
umuwi, lumawas sa ano. Wala.
One minute and 33 seconds. Landry Sanjo. 2 out of 2.
Medyo awkward yung form niya.
Oo.
Pero nasushoot siya yung mga free throws.
Saka alam mo na, pamugas talaga tong si Sanjo eh.
Oo.
2-point lead for Welek, Alicia. Pablo controls it. Cortez. That's a foul on Salado. Ken Salado.
Penalty na both teams dito, no? Last 1 minute and 20 seconds tayo. 2 free throws na para dito kay Jacob Cortez.
Crucial free throws for Jacob to tie the game. Or to cut down. The fatigue factor for Jacob Cortez and all the players nababa dito eh, no?
Yeah, buong first overtime, hindi lumabas yung si Jacob Cortez eh. Tapos first 4 points nila dito sa second overtime was coming from him.
0 out of 2 for Jacob. Itong DLSU will play against UP Fighting Maroons for the main event tomorrow. Sanjo wants it. Sanjo against Abadam. Mismatch. Denied by Pablo. Cortez. Kick out. for the lead. EJ Goliana misses. Rebound Boris. And the score inside. Tie game, 108 all.
Grabe naman yun.
Grabe naman.
Nagawan lang pag-rebound nito ni Marasigan.
Grabe naman yung mga first-timers natin dito. Ako lang kasi mag-isa. Yung hindi first-timer dito. Mingito! That's a clutch 3-point shot for Vincent Mingito. Right on to you.
That is just his third attempt of this game.
One miss.
Diba? Isa lang yung mintis niya.
Vincent Mingito. That is his name. Look at that shot. Yung kamay ng defender,
Nasa harap.
no? Nasa harap na.
That
But
was great defense eh. Diba?
no hard shot.
Okay, back to the ball game.
35.1 seconds.
Tingnan mo, di ba? After shumut, Dimingito, labas na siya.
Oo.
Yun talaga, ano niya, bigyan mo kami ng points.
Di, tsaka defender yung pinasok ni Coach Caro.
Oo,
Yung
yan, Tolentino na.
Oo. Tsaka KDRR. Match up to eh, no?
Oo.
Marasigan! Stolen away! Marasigan! The pass outside, Abadam! That's a foul on Sanjo.
Ang lakas ng kontakto. Paolo Sancho! Sancho!
5 fouls.
5 fouls na. Yeah.
5 fouls for
na
Landry
ngayon.
Sanjo.
Oo.
Tignan muna natin ulit ito. Grabe yung action eh, no? Hindi lang yung mga player nagpapawis, pati rin yung ating court.
Oo, pinapawisan na yung court dati, nape-pressure yung court eh.
Pa-replay ulit. Para makita ng mga fans natin dito. DLSU.
Mahaba pa rin yan, ha? 27 seconds.
Nasal down by 3 points here.
Right, Wilson Leonard.
Abadam at the line. Much needed free throws. Earl Abadam misses.
Yun na nga,
His
yung
first one.
pagod. Nandiyan na talaga yung pagod.
Second free throw for Abadam. One out of two. And timeout for Alicia Wellick with 27 seconds left.
Time 27.
Ken Salado, Sherwin Concepcion, Raymond Escobido, Vincent Mingito, and Emmanuel Ojola for Alicia Wellick. And Boris Marasigan, AJ Guliena, Earl Abadam, Jacob Cortez, and Luis Pablo for DLSU. 27 seconds. Escobedo. That's a duty foul. Mingito was hurt. Oh, ito. Tinamaan sa mukha si Mingito dito. Escobedo, crucial free throw. 3-point lead for Welick, Alicia. Escobedo, second free throw. 1 out of 2. Concepcion saves it to the wrong guy. Abadam, denied by Mingito. Concepcion grabs it. 10 seconds. That's a foul on Luis Pablo. Too early to celebrate dito, no? 11 seconds left.
Yeah. I thought he was gonna kick this one out kasi kailangan niya ng 3-point eh.
Oo.
Tsaka that was a 3-on-2 play, eh, no?
31. Pablo, 5 personal fouls.
5 fouls for Luis Pablo.
Oh.
5 personal fouls.
So Steven Gagate will automatically, substitute.
Pero tingnan natin ano mangyayari. Pasok ang first free throw.
Eleven seconds. Concepcion. 11 seconds. 5-point lead. So ito na nga. Mayor Aldi Musa. 2 thumbs up. Congratulations
thumbs up,
to Municipality of Alicia. Ex-Welick for winning their first match dito.
OT ang ginawa nyo ngayong gabi para lang mapanalo nyo to. At sabi nga ni Coach Caro, wala nang mag-walkout. Kaya pinanindigan nyo talaga gaano kasaya ang pagpanalo nyo ngayong gabing to.
Siyempre, first of all, nagpapasalamat ako sa taas na binigay niya ang panalo sa amin. Yun nga, hindi biro yung panalo namin ngayon. Siyempre, college team, binigay namin yung best namin. Alam namin na mas condition sila sa amin. Ayun, binigay lang namin yung mga best namin.
Sherwin, anong mensahe mo sa mga sumusuporta sa Alicia Welick at saka sa mga aantabayanan pa namin on your following games?
Inaanyayaan namin kayo, suporta ng Welick Alicia basketball team. Para sa inyo to at kukunin namin at gagawin namin yung